nobody can postpone the elections, including President Uhuru Kenyatta. President Uhuru Kenyatta, after 9th of August 2022, 2 days later, he must hand over the instruments of power to the next president-elect, elected majority by the people of Kenya. So musisikize upuzi ya kina Duale na wengine. Katiba ya Kenya inaongea, the constitution under article 259 of the constitution speaks to the people. So wale wanatuambia ati mtaongezewa, hata mkianzisha, the only option that the election can be postponed, that is in the constitution, is in case this country goes to war with another country. And we are telling the heads of security in our country that even that option is not available. And we want to urge our president that you must leave a legacy, just the way President Moi handed over power to President Kibaki in 2002, just like the way Kibaki handed over that transition. President Uhuru Kenyatta will hand over power in accordance with the Constitution.